Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I want us to learn about something called head and shoulder, and I want to explain for you if you are a beginner in a simple language that you will come to understand. When you look at this chart here, these are gold. This is a gold chart, and today is on Sunday, on November. Okay, today is on Sunday. So when you look at this chart, can you see head and shoulder somewhere with your naked eye? If you are a beginner, can you see head and shoulder somewhere? You cannot see it. Okay, so I want to explain for you in a simple language that you come to understand. So number one, let's first of all take zigzag, okay, and apply zigzag. Let's apply zigzag so it can help us to identify head and shoulder if you are a beginner. Okay, so let's go to H4. What do you see? Because if you want to trade, if you are a beginner, you're supposed to use H4 and M15. Okay, but when you come to H4, you can see something developing. Okay, so let me explain for you in a simple language that you come to understand. Okay, let me explain it for you, my brother. Just sit and relax so I can explain for you. Okay, this is a head and shoulder. Let me enlarge it. Okay, let me enlarge it here. So when you look at this, okay, let me take a line so that you can see that what I'm trying to explain. Look at this R of mine plus where it touches. You see that line? See that red line that passes across? This is what happened. This is a head, this is a shoulder, this is a shoulder. Okay, after head and shoulder, then trade normally goes down. Okay, if head is upward and you have this the head and you have the shoulder here, you have the another shoulder here, what happens is that this trade normally drop. The same scenario, flip this chart upside down. If this the head will be down here and the shoulder will be this side and the other side, okay, this automatic goes up. So up to that point, I think we are on the same page. When we see head here, this is the shoulder, this is the shoulder, means we're gonna drop. Okay, then if we see maybe this is the head and this is the shoulder and this is another shoulder here, let's say example in the lower side, this trade goes up. Okay, this is a head, this is another shoulder, could be another shoulder here, this trade normally goes up. So this is the same scenario here. This is a head, this is a shoulder, this is a shoulder. What means we're gonna go down. So at the same point, let me explain something so that you may understand what I'm trying to mean. After M pattern, okay, after M pattern, we normally drop down. After W pattern, we normally goes up. So let me explain for you also in another simple language that you will come to understand. Let us look at this chart here. Okay, what do you see? Let's begin from here. This is a tip. This is a tip. Okay, follow this line so carefully. Okay, and draw it down with your pen. This another. Okay, this another. This another. What is that? That one is a W. After W, what happens? We dropped down. Okay, then we came back again. Okay, here we're supposed to form an M. We're gonna go up, come down, go up again, okay, form an M, then drop down. Okay, so even if you go to H1, okay, even if you go to H1, don't know if I can see these things so that I may teach with it. Okay, this is another one. Look at this side. From here to here, we do have an line. We pull back a little bit, we drop, okay, then we go back up again. So what does this thing form? It forms an W, okay. Even if you draw this so keenly, you're gonna see that it's form a W. This W, okay. After W, what have you done? We dropped down, okay. At that point, at least we are on the same page. Even if you go to M50 W, it's gonna form the same scenario, okay. Even if you go to let us pull a Euro USD so that you can see. Okay, Euro USD also you have that kind of a similar thing, okay. Okay, in Euro USD, this is the perfect one now. Okay, let me show you where this thing it is. Okay, let me in fact bring it so closer to you so that you can see it. Okay, look at this thing. Okay, my brother, follow this, follow here. What do you see? Okay, in fact, let us take it into let us pull this thing a little bit here. You see, but this one was so high. But for me, look at this tip. This tip is higher than this one, and this tipper. Okay, this tip, we have a tip here. At the tip, look at this one. Let me put in this a simple language. Use your own body to identify head and shoulder. Head, and you have two arms. Okay, this is the head, and these are your arms. Arm 1 and arm 2. Okay, what normally follows that you have the rest of the body. So apply the same into this scenario. Okay, head, shoulder, shoulder. After head, we drop down. Okay, then after dropping down, what you need to also understand is this one. You need to identify where there is a resistance. Okay, at that point, that's where you're gonna go. That's where you're gonna get another pick up or pull back. Let me call it pull back a little bit, okay? Because look at this thing. We dropped, we came at this point, okay? Then we have a pull back, then drop again, okay? So if you start from here, okay, we're gonna go and we need to form another W so that you can drop again. That's how to identify head and shoulder, okay? If you